Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I am your instructor and your host, Mrs. M. So I'm so excited. This is the new Sam.Gov. We no longer need to do DUNS. Yay! So it's a lot simpler. You're going to simply come to Sam.gov. You're going to see the screen where it says to obtain your new entity or get your unique entity identifier. Now, if you've already registered, no worries. It automatically will assign one to you. But if you haven't registered, instead of going to DNB, which is Duns and Bradstreet to get your DUNS number, it is actually called a unique entity identifier. Same thing as the old DUNS number. So we're going to go get started. We're going to say get started, and it's going to ask us to accept. And this is where we're going to put in our information right here. And I'm just going to put this in right here and get us started. Okay, so we're going to put in our information to get started, and then we're going to put in our password. Okay, and then we're going to get started. So we're going to hit sign in. Oh my goodness, we did not put all of what we have to put in our password. So we're going to put our password right here. I'm sorry, email right here. Okay. Okay, and we are going to be good to go. Now, like I said, you want to make sure that eventually you get out of having the Gmails and all that, but in the beginning, it's fine. And then we're going to put in our password for our login.gov. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and sign in, and it's going to give us that one-time passcode because we have not signed in. We need to put that passcode in there that it wants to make sure it identifies us. So we're going to put that right here into our one-time security code, and it expires in 10 minutes. So time is of the essence. Okay, so I've looked at it. Everything was good. I'm going to submit it. And now it's going to log in, and we're going to register our business. So we're going to hit that, and it's going to ask us, and we want to register and get started. We want to do a business organization, and we want to do this to bid on federal contracts, procurement opportunities, grants, loans, and financial assistance. We're going to hit next. The purpose is for us to win all of our awards. So you're going to simply go in here. It's going to talk about the different sections. It's going to talk about your unique identity identifier, unique entity identifier, your core data, your assertions, your FAR. That's the reg for government. Anything government is the FAR. And then we have our points of contact. You're going to simply come down here and hit next. And it's asking you, do you have this information already gathered? You want to have for U.S. residents who are registrants, you want to have your entity details, your legal business name, your physical address, your data from corporation, taxpayer, which is your Social Security. If you're EIN and you've never registered your EIN, you're going to put your taxpayer, which is Social Security number, your bank, your routing, and your account number, because we are hoping to win a contract. Yay! And simply come down to the bottom and hit next. This is where we're going to put in our legal information name. So we're going to put that right here. Kind of already had it populated. The state, the address, the phone number, all of that. So we're going to put that it is the United States. And now we're going to hit next. So you're going to put in your business information. And this is where it's going to look to see if it matches and identifies your company. It's looking in the records, and we're going to cross our fingers that it matches. Come on, match. And they found a match. Oh my God. So now we have found a match. We know everything is good. If that's your company, they found the match. They're going to say that if this is a match, you want to continue. So you want to hit next, and it's going to then give you your unique identifier number. And this is where this number is going to be, which you see right here. And you have done the profile to get and receive your number, which is your unique identifying number, your UEI, unique entity identifier. That's it. You've registered, you're good to go. Then you're going to go through the rest of your SAMs and you're going to fill everything in. Now, like I said, if you've already gotten your DUNS number before April 4th, no worries. You only have to do an update on SAMs once a year. It automatically merged the system. If you're new, you no longer have to go to dnb.com. You're going to simply come to sam.gov, follow the steps I just showed you, and voila, it's going to show you if it's a match. If it's not a match, it's going to say, do you want to start over or do you want to file an incident report? You're going to click yes to file an incident report. And I will have a video a little bit later that's going to show you what you need to do if it does not match. Okay. So now my students, thank you so much. You're good to go. My YouTube fam, those of you that are interested in learning all that you can, then make sure you register for one of our free master classes that goes over all this and more. For my students, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And for my YouTube fam, I look forward to seeing you in the next video as well. Have a fantastic day and I'll see you guys soon. All righty. Bye-bye.